What is that noise? What is going on? What's up, guys? I'm at the gas station about to get some gas. I haven't been driving that much, so I haven't even been putting gas in my car. But last week we did go to Legoland. I'm trying to check, like, what is even the price of this gas? I just fill up on unleaded, regular, basic gas, $2.99. Like, that's not too bad. This gas station is usually cheaper than the rest, though. But then look at here, guys. You see those rain droplets? We got rain last night. That's kind of exciting. That's like the first rain in a while. You guys see this here? They're setting up to open. This is what dining in looks like nowadays. All the restaurants, you cannot eat it inside. You have to eat it on the patio. So if you're a restaurant, you really have to, you know, change your ways. Set everything up on the outside. But anyway, I'm just gonna take it to go. I'm here to order some dim sum for the family. I've never been here before. This is a new place for me. If you're brave enough, eat outside. There's not too many people though. So I picked up the dim sum, but Power is not gonna have any food to eat. You just run in. I won't take that long. We won't take that long. But there's nothing for him to eat, so he's picking up some huevos rancheros here, and we will be on our way. So like, it was hard enough when my brother was pescatarian, but at least he could have eaten like the seafood stuff. But with Power being vegetarian, he cannot. There's like almost nothing he can eat for dim sum other than buns. But he's also trying to lose weight, so he can't eat, like, you know, all the carbs. So yeah. Oh man, now he's in line. Oh my gosh, Power's taking forever. We've been sitting here forever. He called in his order, so it should be ready already. But I mean, I did move from the handicap parking once this parking spot opened up. Hello.
We got our breakfast going here.
It's brunch.
Brunch, yeah, it's pretty late. Bruce is there.
Help yourself, guys. I ventured out. I'm at the market. Well, about to park. But yeah, after we came home from my mom's house, because it's been so cold, Power and I just wanted to like curl up in bed. So that's what we did. We curled up in bed, watched a little bit of TV, and then both of us ended up falling asleep. And the surprising thing is Uriah ended up putting himself down for a nap as well. PJ was gaming. He games with Lynn. And I feel like, you know, Uriah, he doesn't nap anymore. Like, he doesn't usually nap anymore. But he woke up on the wrong side of the bed this morning, and he didn't get enough sleep. And I could tell because he was not himself. He was not himself. Ever since the morning, ever since he woke up, I feel like he was just extra cranky, extra grumpy. Power kept yelling at him. He kept getting in trouble. And I could just tell he wasn't himself. And I caught him like yawning a few times in the morning. So I was like, oh yeah, I don't think he's gotten enough sleep. So anyway, surprisingly, he put himself down for a nap. I think he's going to wake up soon though. I honestly don't know what time he fell asleep though, because Power and I fell asleep before him. And I know that because when I fell asleep, I think Uriah was still in the room with us, and then after a while he left. But anyway, I'm at the market like I said, and it's the weekend. I feel like I do have to stock up a little bit on groceries. You know, the numbers have been surging, and I feel like I just don't want to go out especially during the week. So let me just grab a few things from here and then be done with groceries for the week. And it's so chill right now. You know, Uriah's asleep, Power's asleep, so PJ was the only one home. I told him he could keep gaming. Oh yeah, I saw the worker wipe these down. Ooh, these are new carts. It looks like. That's cool. Cool. Look at my basket. I didn't plan this at all, but most of these fruits and vegetables are all green. I got cucumber, cilantro, Granny Smith apple, zucchini, avocado, tomatillo, serrano chili, jalapenos, and then 1 white onion. These tomatillo and the chili peppers, I'm gonna make a salsa for Power. I'm gonna try this copycat King Taco green salsa recipe. I hope it's good. Looks like Uriah's awake, Power's awake. How was your little nap, buddy?
Good.
It was good? You feel better now? Yeah. He seems to be in a better mood. So here's what I got. I mean, I already showed you guys the vegetables that I got, but I picked up a few more things just to have on hand. Some orzo, some chicken, drumsticks because they were on sale, some meat, little smokies. This is what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. I'm gonna make pigs in a blanket. Haven't made that in a while. Some tater tots and fish sticks, and then some OJ.
I like tater tots.
Yeah, good. The weather's changing, so I want to just make sure we all have our vitamin C, although we do drink Emergency. These little packets. Even Uriah likes these. Huh, you like Emergency, huh? So yeah, we have to do that. And then I don't know what to feed the boys sometimes for like lunch or breakfast, so I think Uriah called these fish fingers. Fish fingers! I think in Singapore they call them fish fingers, right? Because that's what Grandma calls them. Here in US we call them fish sticks. But it's the same thing.
But Dad called them fish sticks, but they were fish fingers, not fish sticks.
Oh.
And he's making a
Make
little,
one more.
what are these called?
Pigs in a blanket. Daddy.
Pigs in a blanket, and your eyes lurking right there.
He wanted to help, but I was like, you might stress me out more than.
This one's
I don't know, it looked like a finger,
I
right?
wanted to help.
I know, PJ wanted to help too.
Me too.
What's that noise?
I'm just rubbing my arm against the freezer.
He's making some weird noise over here.
Why is it making that noise?
Are you a robot?
No.
Earlier, he turned on the dishwasher, and we don't use the dishwasher. I was like, what is that noise? What is going on? And then we realized he turned it on. What is that? That sounds weird.
That is pretty weird.
Don't these look beautiful? They look so cute. All right, into the oven for about, I think, let's give it 10 minutes, 11 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm gonna reorganize our freezer. Okay, so I cleared out as much space as possible. All these things are here. Now it's time to organize it. Power had bought so much vegan patties. These are all vegan patties. And then, where's the other box? Over here. These vegan patties here. Maybe I can stuff this in here. That is so much better. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is a lot better. Now I know all of this Power. The top row is all yours.
All right.
And then there's some things in the second one. So the top one is all yours. There's like cheese, mushroom ravioli, and then your ravioli, other raviolis here. Tater tots. There's some like chicken patties, chicken stuff in the back. Dumplings, Asian food, noodles, meat, ice cream, Uncrustables, fish fingers, randomness there.
Good job, Annie. It was a mess.
I know. Longanisa. I was gonna just take, no, I'll just take it out. I'll cook it tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow morning. I have to clean out this one though. Probably not right now. Oh man, forgot I bought this. So this is just some drumsticks. I'm gonna divide it up and then stick it in the freezer. Looks pretty good, except for the fact that a lot of them are touching. But it's okay. I'm just gonna throw it on here. Figure it out.
What's your side?
It's a little hot. I'm gonna let the boys start off with this. See how much they can eat. Okay, pray, and then you guys can eat.
Thank you, God, for this food. Amen.
That's not how you blow. Like that. It's good?
I didn't even pay. I'm saying I did it in my mind.
Do you remember eating that, Uriah? Yeah, you like
Yes,
it?
I remember a bunch of times in school where I ate it.
Yep, I used to bake it, and then you guys would take it to school.
And then I got so bored of it because I was so used to it.
Alright guys, that is a wrap for today. Thanks for watching. If you like, give us a thumbs up. Comment below. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.
But I'm going to take off my sweater now.
Okay, good night. Bye.